So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new Flowdesk subscriber to Zoho CRM as lead. Let's say you're using Flowdesk to send some kind of emails and as an email marketing platform. And you want that all the new subscriber which you are adding in Flowdesk, you want to add all of them as leads in Zoho CRM. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this process. So in this automation, whenever a new subscriber will be created in Flowdesk, automatically with the same details, that subscriber will be added as a lead in Zoho CRM. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Flowdesk to Zoho CRM. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Flowdesk account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time a new subscriber is added in Flowdesk, automatically the details of that newly added subscriber will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and this automation workflow will trigger. After that, using this Pabbly Connect's automation, we are going to send the details of that new subscriber to Zoho CRM, and we are going to add that subscriber as a lead or as a contact in Zoho CRM. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window, in Choose App, search for Flowdesk. Just select it. After selecting Flowdesk, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as Subscriber Created. After selecting a trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection over here. Now here guys, we have to connect our Flowdesk account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Flowdesk button. Now because I have logged into my Flowdesk account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. We just have to enter the login credentials over here and then just click on this sign up button. And after that, here you can see it is asking us for the permission. Just click on Allow. And as we click on Allow, we will see our Flowdesk account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the webhook name. So here guys, we just have to enter a name of a webhook URL using which this Pabbly Connect account and Flowdesk is going to get connected. You can basically give any name to your webhook URL. For example, I would like to name it as Pabbly Connect. And after naming our webhook URL, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that it has now changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the response, some details of a new subscriber being created from Flowdesk. So let's do it. We will just go to our Flowdesk account and we are going to create or add a new subscriber over here. So in Flowdesk, I have created a sign up form over here. This is the form. So what we are going to do, we are just going to copy the link of this form and we will just paste it in a new tab. After pasting this, here you can see that this is the sign up form which we have created. Whenever a user is going to enter their details and submit the form, automatically with these same details, that user will be added as a subscriber in Flowdesk. So let's enter the details of a test user. For example, the name of the person is demo user. This is the email address. And this is a test mobile number over here. Also, we are going to mention the company name. For example, the name of the company is Pabbly Connect over here. And then just click on sign up. Now, as we click on sign up, we will see with the same details we have entered, this new subscriber is now added in Flowdesk. So let's check it. We will go to Flowdesk account and after coming here, we will just go to this audience section. And here in the audience section, you can see that demo user, this subscriber is now added over here. And because we have connected our Flowdesk account with Pabbly Connect in this trigger window, here you can see that just now instantly in our trigger window as well, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of that exact same person. Here you can see the same name, first name and last name demo user. Here you can see the same email address which we have entered. You can see the same mobile number and also the same company name, Pabbly Connect. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully connected our Flowdesk account with Pabbly Connect and we have received the details of a new subscriber from Flowdesk in our Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, after completing step 1, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send these details of a new subscriber to Zoho CRM. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action window over here. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for Zoho CRM. Just select Zoho CRM over here. After selecting Zoho CRM, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Contact or Create Lead. So if you want to add these subscribers as lead in your Zoho CRM account, you can select Create Lead. Or if you want to add these contacts, these subscribers of Flowdesk as a contact in Zoho CRM, you can select Create Contact over here. So I want to add them as leads, so I will be selecting leads over here. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Zoho CRM account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just once again click on this Connect with Zoho CRM button. Now after clicking on it, it is asking us for the domain of our Zoho CRM account. Now here you must be thinking how you can get this domain. So to get it, just log into your Zoho CRM account and after logging in, here in the URL section, you can see zoho.in. This is the domain of my Zoho CRM account. So we have to enter the same domain over here. So we have just copied the zoho.in, the domain of our Zoho CRM account and enter it over here. You might be having a domain out of all of these 5 domains, zoho.com. Either you might be having zoho.com.au as the domain, either it can be zoho.eu, zoho.in or zoho.com.cn. So whatever domain you have in your Zoho account, just enter that domain over here and then just click on Save. Now when we click on Save, here you can see that because we have logged into our Zoho account in our browser, Pabbly Connect has detected that account as well. We just have to scroll down and click on Accept over here. And as we click on Accept, we will see our Zoho CRM account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the company. That what is the company of this new lead which we want to create in Zoho CRM. So we have asked for the company from the user in this sign up form. And we have received the details of the subscriber which they have entered in this form, details of the subscriber which is created in Flowdesk inside Pabbly Connect's trigger window. So here in the trigger responses, you can see we have received the response of company. Now what we have to do, we have to basically map this response from this trigger window, map this response of Flowdesk which we have received over here in this company field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Flowdesk of a new subscriber. And out of all of these responses, select this response of company and it will be mapped over here. So whatever company name the user is going to enter in sign up form, whatever company name the subscriber is going to have in Flowdesk, with the same name we are going to add that subscriber as lead in Zoho CRM. After company, it is asking us for the owner ID. So who will be the owner of this particular lead in our Zoho CRM account? So right now I want the owner of all of these leads which we are creating using this automation to be the admin. So I have selected admin over here. If you have added multiple users or multiple team members in your Zoho account, in this drop down you will get a list of all of them and you can select the owner according to your choice. After owner ID, it is asking us for the first name and the last name. So we have received the response, the details of the first name and last name of the new subscriber from Flowdesk. So out of all of these responses, we are going to map this response of first name and last name in their respective field as well. And guys, the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field and from the drop down, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then after this, select the response of last name and map that response too. After this, it is asking us for the designation. So we haven't received the response of designation from Flowdesk of a new subscriber, and the field of designation is not mandatory, is not required as well. So you can ignore this field for now as well. After designation, it is asking us for the email. that what is the email address of this new subscriber, of this new lead which we are creating. So we have received the email address of the subscriber from Flowdesk. So we'll just map it to, just click here, and from the drop down, map the response of email. At last, it is asking us for the phone number. So let's map the response of phone number as well. Then it is asking us fax, mobile number, website, and all the other details as well. So if you are going to receive all of these details of the new subscriber from Flowdesk, you can just map the details into their respective fields. Or all of these fields are not mandatory, are not required. So if you want, you can ignore these fields for now as well. Then it is asking us for the annual revenue. So we might be entering the annual revenue as 0 because we are not getting those details from Flowdesk over here. But it's a required field. So the annual revenue of all of these leads in Zoho CRM will be 0 over here. Then here it is asking us for the email opt-out and all the other details like address over here. So as I told you, if you're getting these details of the subscriber from Flowdesk, you can map these details into the respective field. And if not, you can just keep these fields as blank as well. At last, it is asking us for the trigger. So here in the drop down, you can see, do you want to trigger any of the automation in your Zoho CRM account with this new lead? Now, because I don't want to trigger anything in Zoho CRM, I'm selecting nothing over here. And then just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here we will see we are going to receive some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This is a success response. This response shows that the details of the user, of the subscriber, which we have mapped over here in these fields, with the same details, the subscriber which was created in Flowdesk, this same subscriber is now added as a lead in Zoho CRM. So let's check it. We will just go to our Zoho CRM account and we will go to this leads section. And yes, here you can see that demo user, the same person, the same subscriber which we have just now added in our Flowdesk account, the same person with the same details is now successfully added as a lead in Zoho CRM. Here you can see the same email address, the same mobile number, also you can see the same name as well. And here is the same company. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new subscriber will be created in Flowdesk, automatically the same subscriber will be added as a new lead or contact in Zoho CRM as well. So here guys, we have successfully created this automation. Now after creating it, let's test this automation workflow once. Once again, we will go to the same sign up form which we have created in Flowdesk. And this time we are going to enter the details of a new user. For example, the name of the person is test user 1. This is the email address. And this is a dummy mobile number once again. The company, for example, this time is Google. Click on sign up. So just now we have entered the details of another test user, another dummy user over here. And this user will be added as a subscriber in Flowdesk. Let's check it. We will go to Flowdesk. We will just refresh this page. And yes, here you can see that test user 12 with the same details and email address is now added as a subscriber in Flowdesk over here. Here you can see the same name, same company, mobile number, and the email address. And because we have created this automation, we will see with these same details, this same person will be added as a lead in Zoho CRM as well. So we will go to Zoho CRM and go to the leads page once again. Just refresh this page once. And yes, test user 1, the same person whose details we have just now added in the sign up form of Flowdesk, the same person is now added as a lead in Zoho CRM. You can see the same email, mobile number, same company, and the same name. So we have tested this automation in real time and we found out this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can actually clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow over there. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.